Here's a different type of poetry prompt, and this one is different because it asks the student to analyze 2 poems in the same essay in 40 minutes. And this is sometimes easier to do in others, but I like this one in particular because it does use the word compare and contrast. And just remember that every time that they are asking you or giving you 2 poems, it is going to be some sort of compare and contrast essay. The format for that can vary. You can talk about one poem in whole and then compare it to the other, or as you're writing your body paragraphs, you can jump between poems. It can be done many different ways correctly. So one thing that they've done here is they have left it very wide open as to what you can discuss. Let's read the prompt. In the following 2 poems, adults provide explanations for children. So they're already giving you a point of comparison. Both of these are about adults relating to children. So that's probably something they're going to want you to compare and contrast. Read the poems carefully. Then write an essay in which you compare and contrast the 2 poems, analyzing how each poet uses literary devices to make his point. Now, literary devices is wide open here, and that almost makes it more difficult because you have to take your arsenal and think of every possible thing you can analyze here. So keep a wide open mind, think about imagery, think about tone, look for shifts, and especially as you're reading, think about how is this one, poem 1, different from poem 2. And certainly when you're writing your essay, you do not have to use the Barred Owl title and the history teacher title every time, only the first time. After that, you may call them poem 1 and poem 2 just for the sake of being writing as quickly as possible. So you can describe the changes in format, the different themes of each. Of course, always remember to talk about the themes of the poems. And you can look for sound devices, figurative language, imagery, diction, all of those types of things.